Need to approve payroll or check a report away from your desk? The ADP mobile app puts essential payroll and HR functions in your pocket. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Download the ADP Mobile Solutions app and log in with your company credentials. As an administrator, you can approve timesheets, view payroll reports, and even initiate a payroll run right from your phone. Employees use the same app to view pay stubs, request time off, and clock in, out if you have that feature enabled. My crucial pro tip: enable push notifications for approvals. Don't let payroll get stuck waiting for you. Turn on app notifications so you're instantly alerted when timesheets or time off requests need your review, keeping everything moving on schedule. Manage your team's pay from anywhere, with confidence. What's the most useful thing you do on the ADP mobile app? Approvals, reporting, or something else? For more guides on mobile business management, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.